Everyone loves Chinese stir-fried onion beef. I'm going to show you how to make stir-fried onion chicken. It's delicious, easy to prepare with few ingredients. Start by marinate 500 grams of chicken meat. You can use chicken breast. To make thin and large slices, slightly tilt the knife. You can also use chicken thighs. Remove the skin and bones. Then cut them into chunks. Put them in a mixing bowl. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Combine. In Chinese cuisine, pieces of meat are very often marinated before sauté. They'll become tasty and very tender. Let them rest while cutting 500 grams of onions into chunks. Don't be impressed by this quantity. Once cooked, they will have a sweet, slightly caramelized and melting taste. Put 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil in a pan previously heated over high heat. When the oil is very hot, put the chicken pieces. Spread them well. Let them sear for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Thanks to the marinade, the chicken pieces grill and caramelize slightly on the surface. In addition, they'll take on a nice color. Flip them. Leave another 1 minute and 30 seconds. Then stir for 10 seconds. Keep aside. In the same pan, still over high heat, put 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. When the oil is hot, add the onions and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Occasionally stir for 4 minutes. The salt helps to draw out humidity from onions more quickly, allowing the sugar present in the onions to concentrate, which promotes a faster Maillard reaction. Put the chicken, stir for 2 minutes. The flavors combine. The stir-fried chicken with onions is ready. Bon appétit! Like stir-fried beef with onions, stir-fried chicken with onions is also a delight. The recipe is very easy to make, and everyone will love these onions. Thank you, and see you at the next homemade dish on Morgan Recipes.